Hello kids, how are you today? Today we're going to trace the E sound. Do you remember this exercise? Remember that it's very important to make silence, concentrate, because if you talk, your hand will move and you cannot walk on the line. You have to walk on the dots, join all the dots without stopping. So, I'm going to show you, I started, but I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to make silence and concentrate. Look. You see, if I talk, my hand moves. So you don't have to talk and concentrate. When you finish with a line, you continue with the E sound, like this. Always walking on the dots, you have to join the dots. It's easier if you concentrate, make silence, and think.